Good morning, students. In the last video, we have learnt about many ways to provide first aid in various types of mishaps. In this video also, we will continue our discussion on first aid. Now, let us understand that what kind of first aid we can give in case of a fire. First of all, students, do not throw water on fire caused by petrol or any electric gadget, like if there is any short circuit at your home or if the fire is caused by petrol. Now, why so? Because water will increase the fire. How? Now, if it is caused by petrol, then as petrol is lighter than water, then the petrol spreads on water and keep burning. On the other hand, in case of a fire caused by an electric gadget, water is also a good conductor of heat and electricity. So the conduction may occur and you may also get some shock. So we should not put water on the fire caused by petrol or an electric gadget. Now what you should do? Firstly, inform the nearest fire station. Then put out the fire by throwing sand or mud on it. You can also use fire extinguishers. Now, if there is a person and if a person catches fire, then do not allow him to run, because running may fans the flame. It may increase the fire. Make him roll on the ground and cover him with a thick blanket. Then these were the first aids that you can give in case of firefighting. Then the next thing is in case of animal bite. Now, in case of animal bite, firstly, wash the wound properly. Then apply some antiseptic lotion to prevent infection. After this, just do the bandage the wound with sterile gauze. And rush the victim to the doctor. Means you should always consult to the doctor, because the necessary medication will be given only by the doctor. By doing all these things, you are just providing the first aid to the patient. Now, if the animal bite is a snake bite, now we all know that snake bite is most dangerous, as snake injects poison in the body. So it must be treated immediately. What you can do is, firstly, tie a tight knot with some cloth just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the heart and to the other body parts, because it may lead to spread of poison in the whole body. Then rush the victim to the doctor, and if possible, then place the infected body part upright. Like if a snake bite is there on the leg, then a leg should be pointed a bit upwards than the other body. So these are the precautions which you can take in case of snake bite. These are the first aids. Then in case of poisoning. In case of poisoning, try to make the victim vomit so that he can vomit out the whole poison. And then rush the victim to the doctor. So students, all above accidents can happen with anyone, anywhere and anytime. So we should be prepared always. Like we should know all the emergency numbers also. And most importantly, we should be careful. So students, this finishes with today's lectures as well as with the chapter. I hope that you all have understood the chapter. So thank you students. Have a nice day. Stay safe.